Hey everyone, how are you? Just came outside here. It is nice. Check that sunset. It's actually disappearing from us. I came back to tell you about a couple of cuts I made. I called my insurance company, my car insurance company. I was able to take some of the liabilities off from my old car and work out some numbers with them. So it saved me a couple $100 per 6 months. We pay every 6 months out here. So I was able to do that. That was a good find. There's a lot of things that they don't tell you about. They won't inform you about it. Sometimes you'll even see things on TikTok or YouTube, this channel that I'm on here, and they'll give you ideas that somebody heard from somebody, and it works. You know, you got to be careful of the scams. You don't want to hit any buttons on there where it says, you know, click here for good car insurance. There was one time it said that Sam's Club had car insurance and home insurance, and I didn't click on it. I went on Google, and Sam's Club does not have home insurance. They have companies that will insure items in your home, but they won't do your home insurance. But that's a link just to get you caught up in something else. So I never click on those things. I always go right to Google, do my research before I click anything, and then I'll just go directly to the Sam's Club website and look for things if that's the case. Yeah, so that's one of my finds that I did. I'm working on some water savers. I got to get down to Lowe's, talk to one of the guys down there. I did a little bit of work here. I'm going to turn the camera around. And this whole trough was empty. I dug a hole in there because the dirt was coming in where the screen is. So I had dug a hole in there, put some ledge in the back, filled it with marble chips. So now it's going to have some real nice drainage. When the patio gets wet, goes right through there, drains right into the rock. So it'll keep the patio a lot better and not having big puddles of water and mud over here. Makes it look a lot better. I did some screen repairs right up there. I spoke to a couple of people on Marketplace and OfferUp. They wanted $100 per screen. I don't think that's bad. It's high. I don't think anybody really wants to pay $100 for that. So what I did is I brought some screening material, and then I bought a frame that you can make. It comes in different lengths and it comes with the corners, so you can cut it to what you want, and then put your screen in it and your spline. And then what I did is I went up on that small roof and I pushed it up there with 2 poles and put glue on each end, each tip. And then when I pushed it off the 2 poles that I wrote it on, it was almost like a rail, 2 rails. And then I just pulled the poles out and let them sit right on there. So that screen up there is just a frame with a screen in it. And then later on, I can probably just take, if any problem with it, I can just take a putty knife on the end of a, let's say a broomstick or an extension pole, and just pry underneath each end, pop it off, redo it, and set it back up. It's a lot cheaper. It's quicker for me because I didn't want it. You can't get over that pool unless you put scaffolding and all that stuff there. Now that costs you a lot of money. So again, it's about saving money. It's the first thing I think about. I've always been that way. And it works for me. So yeah, I'll be back with more stuff. I just wanted to share that with you about the car insurance. It's good to look into it. Some of your older cars, you know, you got full insurance on it. And my cars now are paid off, which is a good thing. I made sure that was done before we retired too. And I just take the oldest car, the one I travel the least in, and I take off a couple of coverages. I'm still covered in case I hit somebody. And of course, if they hit me, hopefully they're covered. Outside of that, I would make my own repairs, but on an older car, I'm not too worried about it. And if you can save some pretty decent money on it, why not? I mean, it's a no-brainer. All right, I'll be back with some more savings tips and repair ideas. All right, have a good day. Take care. Bye.